Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to disable Windows 10's updates permanently. I have basically two methods to disable Windows 10 updates permanently. So let's get started. Method 1. Click on the Window tab and search for services. Now hit enter. Now you can see there are many names and services here. We have to go to the Window Update service. Now here is Window Updates. Here is Window Updates. Now double click on it and the startup type will be manual. Now click on it and click on disable and apply and click OK. Now it will disable the updates, but sometimes Window can still get your computer to run some updates. Now we have to take care of that by using the second method as well. Now for the second method, go to the Window tab. Now click run and type here gpedit.msc, just like this one, and click OK. Now you can see this tab is open. It's local policy, and click on the window templates, administrator templates. Now here you can see window components. I will just show you window components. Now double click on it and go to window updates section. Now here you can see window update folder. Double click on it. Now you can see there are many settings here. Now we have to choose configure automatic updates. As you can see, here it is. And now basically it will be not configured. We have to click on disable and click on apply. It will disable the updates permanently. Now these two if you follow these two methods, it will disable the Windows 10 updates permanently. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our video, please subscribe. Thank you.